Hi and welcome to episode number 602 with whatsforchild.com. Today's episode brings an interesting and tasty treat when we sous vide a thinly pressed sheet of ground beef, effectively turning it into a wrap, which will be used to enclose any fillings of your choice. You will need a vacuum packing machine and any type of digital pot with temperature control. To start, place a kilogram of ground beef in your food processor. Add 20 grams of fine salt and 20 grams of good quality beef stock powder. Finally, pour in 100 milliliters of chilled water. Place the bowl on the machine and zap the mixture until it is super fine. The mixture will emulsify and come together and start spinning around the bowl. Divide the mixture into 125 gram portions. For these size portions, you will need 9 vacuum bags of 200 mm by 230 mm. Fold the top of the bags back to avoid messing on the part of the bag that will be sealed. Place a portion of the meat mixture into each bag and fold back the top of the bags. Lay the bags on the work surface and press the meat down to flatten it out. This will make the vacuum process easier. Pop the bags into the vacuum packer and seal the tops. Make sure to double seal both sides of the bags to ensure that you have no leaks. Use your rolling pin to roll the meat out until it is evenly spread across the bags, working it right into the corners. Work out any uneven rolling by rubbing the sheet down with your hands. Transfer all of the packets to your digital pot. The pot should be half filled with water and preheated to 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. You can use a dedicated sous vide cooker, a digital pressure cooker on the keep warm setting, or a regular pot on an induction range. Allow the packages to stand in the pot for 45 minutes. While that carries on, I'm going to make a simple filling for my meat wraps. I have 300 grams of cooked finely chopped spinach, 300 grams of good quality crumbly feta cheese, and 6 anchovies finely chopped. Crumble the feta into the cooked spinach and mix it together. Add the anchovies to the bowl and mix these in thoroughly. And that's that. After 45 minutes, remove the packages from the pot and cut them open. You will have perfectly cooked, flexible sheets of beef. Working with one sheet at a time, spread some of the filling over the beef, leaving an inch of border at the top and bottom of the sheet. Roll the meat up and transfer it to a serving platter. Use your blowtorch to grill off the top of the roll and add some color. Alternatively, you could grill this off in your oven as well. Add the accompaniments of your choice and you're ready to serve and enjoy. Incidentally, once the meat sheets have emerged from their water bath, they can be refrigerated or frozen for later use. Simply place them in hot water to defrost and reheat and you're ready to go. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again tomorrow.